Hello friends, these are the topics which we have covered so far to learn about prompting. In the last few videos, we saw the 10 years analysis of income and balance sheet. This and the coming few videos, we will focus more on analysis of cash flow statement, which is the most important statement and gives a true picture of the company. So we will see how to do the 10-year analysis of the cash flow statement. So as usual, we'll start with a very basic prompt, and then as we go, we proceed with the more structured prompts. So for the demonstration, I have picked up a company which is currently having some couple of issues, and I didn't want to pick up the name of the company. I'm just showing the cash flow statement and see what inferences ChatGPT makes. So this is the cash flow. See, if I break up, you will find what are the details of the cash flow from operations, then the details from investing activities and so on. First, I don't want to do that. I want to go at a very simple level. It will have cash flows has three line items: cash from operating, investing, and financing activities. So only at that level, I'm going to make a picture of this and load it to the chat GPT model. And this has around 3, 6, 7, 8 year statement. So it's a relatively new company, and we will load this 8 year statement and see what ChatGPT does. Okay. So here I'm going to load the, let me enlarge it a bit. Here I'm going to load the high level cash flow statement, which I called as three line cash flow statement. This is a cash flow statement. Please analyze and share your inferences. This is the very basic analysis which I'm trying to do. Let us see what the output comes. Okay, it does a pretty good job. So let me compare both the windows. So if you see the cash flow, operating cash for almost most of the years it has shown negative cash other than March 2023. So let us see what the model says. The company had operating fluctuating cash flows. Negative CFO suggests the operation struggles. However, there is a sharp increase in March 2023 followed by a steep drop. So this is exactly what as an investor you are supposed to analyze or dip digger. What caused a sharp increase from minus 50 crores to 115 crores, and then again subsequent drop to minus 98 crores. So these two annual reports and financial statements you must dig deeper to figure out the reasons. Then what it says about cash flow from investing activities. So if you see the statement, it has been fairly almost zero or minus 1, minus 8 like that. However, the last 3 years, if you see, there has been a significant outgoing investing activities like minus 60 crores, 706 crores, and 688 crores. So let us see what the model says. Mostly negative cash flow across the years, implying investment in expansion. There's a massive outflow over the last 2 years. So that is also identified properly by the model. Then coming to financing activities. Almost for first 5 years, almost there has been very meager financing. But if you see the last 3 years, there has been a huge spike. 109, 709, and 859 crores has been sourced from financing activities. We can right away see it. They had gone for borrowings. But however, this level of analysis we'll do subsequently. Sticking to our simple analysis, we only know that they have raised a lot of cash. So seeing the model output, this says it has heavily relied on financing for the last 2 years. Positive indicates that it has borrowed through debt or equity. And prior fluctuation shows prior fluctuation very nominal, so let us not discuss about that. Then net cash flow. Net cash flow is nothing but the last line item, the sum of all the three cash flows. It says that till March 2020 there has been a negative, and the last 2 years there has been positive. That is 118 and 93 crores. So what are the key takeaways? That's what I focused on. Key takeaways is it is heavily dependent on external funding. There are large investment outflows, and operation. There is no operating cash flow from its operations, and sustainable cash flow depends upon financing. So this is the inferences what the model has made just with the 3-line image of the cash flow statement. So in our next video, we will discuss a better prompt or a more better way of analyzing the cash flow statement. Till then, bye.